He has four main characters, and they are Theodore, Tim, Ted, and his wife. Let's start with Theodore. He possesses a quick, sharp business acumen and a knack for problem solving that made his formidable force in the corporate world. Go.
Tim Templeton. Tim Templeton is the firstborn of son Ted and Denise. He is 7.5 years old, is shown to be quite an imaginative, happy and boy, and he likes his life as an only child.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ted and Janice Templeton are the parents of Tim and Theodore. They both work for Mr. Francis. Ted Templeton decided to leave his sons, while Janice Templeton got betrayed by Mr. Francis.
What is the plot of the movie? The plot of the story begins with exposition. At first, Tim is having his good life. Then his adopted baby brother came in. As the action rises, the baby named Theodore gains more attention than Tim. Then Tim got sad and jealous as well. They are always fighting until they got close to each other. Then they need to find a secret file. They team up and fight the fight.
At the climax, their parent who's working for Mr. Francis got kidnapped and locked up. Theodore and Tim fought together to save their parents. They won against Mr. Francis and they got their parents back. As the action flows down, the time that Theodore, or the boss baby, had to get back to the place where he originated, Tim were so sad, but Theodore were replaced by another baby, and Tim were so happy to see his new baby brother, and he take care of it, and they see life with happiness.
Ay,
What have you learned from The Boss Season 1 movie?
The valuable lessons that we can get from the Boss Baby is the family importance. The movie emphasizes the significance of family bonds and how they can be tested to strengthen them.
The teamwork of Tim and Boss Baby learn to work together despite their differences. Even they thought that they are rivalry. They show the power of collaboration, the emotion, and the film highlights the importance and expressing feelings and understanding others' people.
The antagonist in the story is Mr. Francis. He is the CEO of the Papico, an international puppy producer or feeder. He is also the boss of Tim and Theodore's parents, Ted and Janice Templeton.
In our opinion, The Baby Boss Season 1 is the series retains the witty and sarcastic humor that made the movie enjoyable. The jokers are living and often aimed at adults, making it a show the parents and children can enjoy together.
Tama. Bye guys, this is the podcast of Bukwan. Bye.
Tama na!
May amen dito? Ay, narinig ako sabi niya amen.
Imin nga, meron.
Saan? Wag mo na!
3,
Go. Ano natin